Hey guys, how'd you guys get in here without me letting you in? Did you come in through the chimney or the window? Alright, I gotta take these band clamps off because I forgot to put the gasket on. So, I also want to welcome a lot of the new members to this channel. You know, I don't really give a crap, man, about making money off of YouTube. I gotta make sure these little dowel pins don't fall inside the engine, because if anything, when the engine's open like this, if anything falls inside there, guess what? I could take the fucking engine apart again. Now, when I paint this is going to all get covered. You know, because I kept on saying to myself, I should have just got two extra cases. So, all right, let me clean. I got to clean my surface because that's what I bought the acetone for. Because once I put this thing together, bros and sisses, I don't ever want to take this thing apart again. You know, this will be a nice little motorcycle for me. This is going to be my old man motorcycle. Like when I'm like 79, 89 years old, I'll still be riding a bike as long as I can. This is the bike I'm going to be using. This is my old man bike. Let me pause, you guys. Or you know what? I'll do this instead. Man, I'll tell you, that acetone, man. You know what it smells like? It smells like a doctor's office. This stuff is strong, Jack. That stuff is strong. Alright, that's good enough. Now, if I can only find... Okay, we got this. And here's my tip. I'll do this side first. I'm going to pause you guys. This is going to be a while, guys. Now, when I put this on, there's like these oil channels. You don't want any of this. Once this gets pressed down, you don't want it to go into these oil channels. So on this side here, I'm putting a real small amount on. I mean, even if a little goes in there, that's okay. But I think what I did before, when I put this together the first time, I think I might have almost closed those off altogether. Okay, now I chose my gaskets. I'm not putting the metal gasket on. This one here is semi-metallic. We're putting this one on. I actually have two sets of gaskets. And the bottom gaskets, so I'm choosing this one here. Okay, now let's put her on. Okay, over the pistons. I got it on wrong. Okay guys, I coated the bottom of the gasket also, and then I leveled it out with my finger so that it'll grip real good. So let's see if we can do this without making a big mess here. I can't believe I had that on wrong. I just was not paying attention. There we go. Goes on easier too. Fits over my pins. Alright, now let me get my metal one. Now this guy here, the only problem with this is this hole here is going to have to be drilled out a little bit, because it does not go over the pin, because there has to be two pins. The theory is, in case your bolts come loose, the cylinder head won't come loose. So let me pause you guys. Alright, now it fits. Okay, now we're going to do the same to this. Okay guys, I almost have this last one on here. Last piece. And once again, where these channels are, and then there's another one over here, I don't want to get too much in there. Now I'm not pressing this down. I'm not going to torque this down until this is dry. So what it's going to basically do is it's going to have it's going to have this is gasket maker. So once this is torqued down, I should have an awesome seal. Are you kidding me? You mean to tell me you won't go over my rings? Are you kidding me? Don't tell me I have to put my pistons on last. Oh my God. Guys, I'm about to flip out. Okay guys, I got it over my rings. Why is that? It's got to be the wrong kind. What the hell did they give me? Did they give me the wrong goddamn gasket? Oh my God. I will honestly tell you guys, I don't know what the hell they gave me, man. Because this does not cover everything. It does not cover everything. I don't know what the hell they gave me. Now, I have an old gasket. Let me pause you guys here a second. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, I have to consult my book. My book, I think my book's upstairs too, so we're going to leave this like it is. Let me touch this up a bit. Because the gasket maker is actually okay like this. Let me see here, I could put a little more on that side. Front's good. That's good. Actually, I'd rather leave it like that. Because, you know, my whole problem I'm having here is, I mean, even the middle one, the middle one's the same shape. See, that's the whole purpose of putting this one here down first. I mean, if I have to, I could just add this to it. And I'll do without these. Because I don't think this will ever blow a gasket, especially with all that stuff I have on there. But I'm going to have to consult the owner's manual, or the repair manual, just to see why. Because there's a lot that this just does not cover. And then this end here, this sticks out a little bit. But if let me get my head. See, now with the head, but the problem is see those two little holes on that one side? I don't know what side they're supposed to go on, and they're there for a reason. So I have to find out where those go. So once we find them out, I might have to bore the other hole out. So, alright, let me go look at my repair manual. So these are okay like this. It's not going to be no harm, no foul. We'll let this harden up. We can get this out later on with my pick. That's good just like it is. Okay, that'll work. We'll leave all that just like it is. That'll work. Okay, guys. Let me go look at my repair manual, and I'll find out just what side see these two little holes right here? They have to go. That's probably to let oil in. Now, I would think it probably goes like this. So that means I have to bore this hole out a little bit more. But I'm not 100% sure of that. So once I find that out, what I'll do is I'll put this on the head. That head also has to be dunked in diesel. We have to let that sit in diesel for about 24 hours. Then we'll put this on that side. So I'll catch y'all later.